Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's electric sliding side doors, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior, the front seats are both heated and have massage function. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 14,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.